Ladies, sometimes the most powerful thing you can do in a relationship is not chase someone who has chosen to walk away. Sometimes silence speaks louder than 1,000 messages, and distance reveals what constant attention was hiding. A man may leave thinking he is walking away from a person, but after time passes, he starts remembering the value of the connection he had. When you stop calling, stop begging, and stop trying to convince someone of your worth, something changes. You begin to put your energy back into yourself. See, people often recognize value when they no longer have unlimited access to it. When you were always available, always reaching out, always trying to fix everything, he may have taken your presence for granted. But when you step back and focus on becoming a stronger version of yourself, he starts noticing the difference. No contact is not about playing games or trying to manipulate someone. It is about creating space for healing, reflection, and self-respect. It gives both people time to understand what they truly want. Sometimes a man returns because he realizes that what he had with you was rare. He remembers your kindness, your loyalty, your support, and the way you brought peace into his life. But the biggest lesson is this: when he returns, you should not be the same person he left behind. Your growth should be visible. Your confidence should be stronger. Your standards should be higher. The goal is not to make someone miss you. The goal is to become someone you are proud of. A person who truly values you will not only come back, they will come back with changed actions. Words are easy, but consistency proves intentions. Never forget, the right person does not need to lose you forever to understand your worth. But sometimes losing access to you is what finally teaches them the value of having you. Distance has a powerful way of creating clarity. When two people are constantly connected, emotions can become overwhelming, and sometimes one person fails to recognize the true value of the other. When you are always present, always checking in, always trying to fix problems, and always making the effort to keep the connection alive, the other person may become comfortable with receiving your attention without fully appreciating it. This is not always because they do not care, but because human beings sometimes overlook what is always available to them. When you step back and create distance, the entire dynamic changes. The constant communication stops, the familiar routine disappears, and suddenly the other person has time to think. They begin to notice the silence where your conversations used to be. They begin to remember the moments you shared, the support you gave, and the way you made them feel. Sometimes it takes losing a daily connection for someone to understand how meaningful that connection truly was. Many people make the mistake of thinking that distance means giving up. But healthy distance is not about punishment or trying to make someone jealous. It is about allowing emotions to settle and giving both people the opportunity to see the situation clearly. When emotions are high, people often make decisions based on frustration, pride, or temporary feelings. Time apart can remove that emotional pressure and allow genuine thoughts to come forward. A person may start asking themselves questions they never considered before. Why did I take that person for granted? Why does their absence feel different? Did I lose someone who truly cared about me? These questions often appear when someone no longer has immediate access to the love, attention, and support they once received. The important thing to understand is that your absence does not create value that was never there. It reveals the value that was already present. If someone returns after no contact, it is often because the space allowed them to recognize something they were unable to see while you were always there. During this period of distance, your focus should not be on waiting for someone to come back. Your focus should be on yourself. Use that time to rebuild your confidence, improve your life, and reconnect with your own happiness. The strongest transformation happens when you stop making another person the center of your world and start becoming the center of your own. When someone sees that you are no longer chasing, begging, or trying to prove your worth, they may view you differently. They see confidence, independence, and self-respect. Those qualities naturally create attraction because people are drawn to those who know their own value. Distance can reveal feelings that were hidden beneath comfort and routine. It gives people the chance to understand what they had, what they lost, and what they truly want moving forward. Sometimes silence communicates what words could never explain. Your absence reveals your value because people often understand the importance of something when they no longer have unlimited access to it. In many relationships, one person can become so comfortable with the other person's presence that they stop noticing the effort, love, and care being given. When someone knows you will always answer their calls, always send the first message, and always be there no matter what happens, they may unintentionally begin to take that connection for granted. This does not mean your worth was ever missing. Your value was always there. The problem was that your constant availability made it easy for someone to overlook the things that made you special. Sometimes people only recognize the importance of a person when the usual attention, kindness, and support are no longer automatically available. When you stop reaching out and give yourself space, the other person experiences a change. They no longer receive the same energy they were used to. They no longer have the comfort of knowing you are always waiting. This change can create a moment of reflection where they begin to think about the role you played in their life. They may remember the small things you did that they once ignored. They may remember the conversations, the encouragement, the laughter, and the emotional support you provided. They may start realizing that not everyone offers the same level of care and understanding. Sometimes the absence of something creates a deeper appreciation for what was already there. However, the most important part of stepping back is not about making someone miss you. It is about showing yourself that your happiness and confidence do not depend on another person's attention. When you stop chasing someone, you send a powerful message, not just to them, but to yourself, that your time, energy, and love have value. A person who respects themselves does not beg to be chosen. They understand that love should be mutual. They know that a healthy relationship requires effort from both sides. When you recognize your own worth, you naturally begin setting stronger boundaries. You stop accepting less than you deserve, and you become more aware of the type of treatment you should receive. This shift in your mindset can change how others see you. Confidence is attractive because it shows that you are secure within yourself. When someone sees that you are continuing to grow, improving your life, and becoming happier without depending on them, they may begin to view you in a different way. Your absence can create curiosity, but your growth creates respect. A person may miss your presence, but they are more likely to value you when they see that you have become stronger, wiser, and more confident. The goal is never to disappear just to get someone's attention. The goal is to step away long enough to remember your own importance. Sometimes the greatest lesson someone learns is that losing access to a person does not mean losing their value. It means finally understanding how valuable that person truly was. Your presence should be appreciated, not expected. Your love should be respected, not taken for granted. When you understand this, you stop trying to convince others of your worth because your actions, confidence, and self-respect speak louder than words. No contact is not about playing games, creating jealousy, or trying to control another person's emotions. The true purpose of no contact is about self-growth, healing, and finding your own strength again. Many people misunderstand this powerful decision because they think the only goal is to make someone miss them. But the deeper meaning is about removing yourself from a situation where you may have been given too much of your energy, time, and attention without receiving the same level of effort in return. When you constantly focus on another person's feelings, actions, and decisions, you can slowly lose connection with yourself. You start questioning your worth, analyzing every message, and wondering what you could do differently to make the relationship work. But stepping away creates an opportunity to redirect that energy back towards your own life. Instead of asking, why did they leave? Or how can I make them come back? You begin asking, how can I become stronger? And what do I truly want for my future? The period of no contact gives you space to heal emotionally. When someone walks away, it can create feelings of sadness, confusion, and disappointment. If you continue chasing that person while carrying those emotions, you may make decisions based on fear rather than confidence. Taking a step back allows you to process your feelings and understand the relationship from a clearer perspective. During this time, you begin discovering parts of yourself that may have been neglected. You start investing in your goals, your dreams, your friendships, and your personal development. You remember that your identity is not defined by whether someone chooses to stay or leave. You realize that you were a complete person before the relationship, and you will continue to be a complete person afterward. This personal growth is often what changes the way others see you. When someone notices that you are no longer desperately seeking their attention, they may see a different version of you. They see someone who has confidence, direction, and emotional strength. The energy changes because you are no longer trying to prove your value. You are living as someone who already knows their value. Growth also helps you make better decisions if that person does return. Without personal growth, it is easy to accept someone back simply because you missed them. But when you have taken time to heal and improve yourself, you can look at the situation with wisdom. You can ask whether the person has truly changed, whether their actions match their words, and whether the relationship can become healthier than before. The most powerful transformation happens when you stop making someone else responsible for your happiness. A relationship should add joy to your life, but it should never become the only source of your confidence or peace. When you build a strong relationship with yourself, you become more prepared for any outcome. No contact teaches you that your greatest power comes from within. It reminds you that your worth is not measured by someone's attention, messages, or presence. Your value exists whether someone recognizes it immediately or not. The journey of self-growth allows you to become stronger, more confident, and more aware of the love and respect you truly deserve. A person returning after no contact is not the most important part of the journey. The most important thing is understanding that a return must come with real change. Many people become excited when someone from their past reaches out again, especially after a period of silence. They feel relief, happiness, and hope that everything will go back to the way it was before. But a simple message, an apology, or saying, "I miss you," is not enough to rebuild something that was broken. True value is shown through actions, not just words. Anyone can make promises when they are afraid of losing someone. But real change requires consistency, effort, and responsibility. If someone returns, it is important to look beyond what they say and pay attention to what they do. Are they communicating better? Are they making an effort to understand your feelings? Are they willing to work on the problems that caused the distance in the first place? A second chance should not mean returning to the same patterns that created pain before. Many people make the mistake of accepting someone back simply because they missed them. They remember the good moments and forget the reasons why things became difficult. Love can make people overlook important signs, but wisdom teaches you to look at the complete picture. When someone truly values you, their behavior will show it. They will not only return when they feel lonely or when they miss the comfort you provided. They will return with a willingness to build something healthier. They will understand that trust must be rebuilt and that healing takes time. They will not expect everything to immediately return to normal without making any effort. Your personal growth during no contact gives you the ability to see things differently. Before, you may have been focused only on getting the person back. But after taking time to heal and become stronger, you begin asking better questions. You start thinking about whether this person deserves another opportunity in your life. You begin evaluating whether their presence brings peace, respect, and happiness. A person who truly wants to be part of your life will understand that love is not just about feelings. Feelings can change, but commitment, respect, and effort are choices people make every day. A strong relationship is built when two people are willing to communicate, support each other, and grow together. Never allow someone's return to make you forget your own progress. The version of you that existed before no contact may have accepted things you should not have accepted. The stronger version of you understands that love should not require you to sacrifice your dignity, confidence, or peace. If someone comes back, let them meet the new version of you. Let them see someone who has learned, grown, and developed stronger standards. Do not focus only on whether they want you back. Focus on whether they are willing to treat you better than before. A person returning can be a beautiful opportunity, but only when both people are ready to create something different. The goal is not just to reunite, The goal is to build a connection where both people feel valued, respected, and appreciated. Real love is proven when actions match words and when change becomes visible through consistent effort. The greatest transformation happens when you become the person you were always meant to be. Many people spend so much time trying to make someone else recognize their value that they forget to recognize it themselves. They focus on getting a message, receiving attention, or proving that they are worthy of love. But true confidence does not come from someone choosing you. It comes from knowing that you are valuable regardless of who stays or who leaves. When you stop chasing someone and start focusing on yourself, something powerful begins to happen. Your mindset changes. Instead of constantly worrying about what another person thinks, you begin investing in your own growth. You start taking care of your goals, your dreams, your health, your confidence, and your happiness. You begin building a life that feels complete, whether someone is beside you or not. This kind of growth creates a different energy. People can feel when someone is desperate for attention, but they can also feel when someone is confident and secure. Confidence is not about pretending you do not care. It is about caring for yourself enough to know that you deserve respect, honesty, and genuine effort. Many times the reason someone becomes more interested after losing access to you is because they see a change. They see that you are no longer the person who was waiting around, seeking approval, or depending on their presence to feel happy. They see someone who has found their own strength. That transformation can make them realize that they underestimated your importance. But the real victory is not making someone come back. The real victory is reaching a point where you no longer need someone to come back in order to feel complete. When you reach that level of self-respect, you become more careful about who you allow into your life. You stop accepting temporary attention when you deserve genuine commitment. Becoming the best version of yourself also changes the type of relationships you attract. When you value yourself, you naturally set higher standards. You stop making excuses for people who hurt you. You stop chasing people who only show interest when it is convenient for them. You understand that love should feel balanced, peaceful, and supportive. Your personal growth also gives you the wisdom to handle situations differently. If someone returns, you are no longer making decisions from loneliness or fear. You can think clearly and decide whether their presence matches the new life you have created. You can recognize the difference between someone who misses having access to you and someone who truly wants to build a future with you. The strongest person is not the one who can make someone regret leaving. The strongest person is the one who can continue moving forward, growing, and becoming better no matter what happens. When you focus on becoming the best version of yourself, you stop seeking validation from others because you have already found confidence within yourself. Your value does not increase because someone finally notices it. Your value was always there. The journey is about discovering it, protecting it, and refusing to let anyone make you forget it. When you become the best version of yourself, you do not just become more attractive to others, you become more proud of the person you see every day.